Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So I know 420 already passed like last Friday, but better late than never, you know. Like I really wanted to do a green makeup look, and especially since I don't really do color, like I thought this was fun. And I do have an old video like for 420. Yeah, I'll leave it here for you guys if you guys do want to see it. I mean, it did pretty good, I'm not gonna lie, it did pretty good. But yeah, if you guys do want to continue watch this recreation, it's only going to be the face because I'm not the face, it's only going to be the eyes because the face, like I already have a video for that, like it was my previous video. So if you guys want to check that out too, like it will be like up here. So yes, so if you guys want to keep watching and see this, just stay tuned. And also just letting you guys know that I did use the Jaclyn Hill palette for the whole thing. And let me just show you the green, the main color. It was this one right here. Look at this, like look, bomb, like bomb. So yeah, if you guys do enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below any other video requests, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I make videos like every Wednesday and Saturday as well, which is Saturday right now, but yes, I make videos every Wednesday and Saturday. And yeah, so I'll see you guys on my next one.